Hello. Read the two sentences given on screen. The first one says, Sam is cleaning his car, while the second one says, Sam was cleaning his car. Now, why two different answers to the same question? What's the logic behind it? Most importantly, when to use which? If you have ever been troubled by such questions, then this video is just for you. Keep watching till the end. We'll not only answer all these questions, but we'll also learn to clear our confusion and use tenses correctly. So, when to use is cleaning and when to use was cleaning. Welcome to yet another session of grammar at SHESHA school with SHESHA Prasad Nadupalli. There are three different elements on the screen. Let's study them one by one. Let's begin with the clock first. What does the clock say? It's 9 o'clock. Let's move to the second picture. What does it say? Sam is cleaning his car. So at 9 o'clock, Sam is cleaning his car. That means the action is going on in the present. Study this slide now. The time is now 12, but Sam is not cleaning his car. When was Sam cleaning his car? 9 o'clock. What is the time of speaking? 12 o'clock. This is called a time reference. Sam was cleaning the car at 9 o'clock, not at 12 o'clock. What is the time of speaking? 12 o'clock. So at 12 o'clock, we are saying that Sam was cleaning the car at 9 a.m. Study this slide now. The first sentence says, Sam is cleaning the car, so he can't come. Now, a fixed time is not given, but the expression he can't come tells us that this is a present time reference. So, we'll use is cleaning. Let us look at the second sentence. Sam was cleaning the car when I called him. When I called him. I have not called him now. I called him in the past. And that time he was cleaning. Both sentences have a time reference. The first sentence has present time reference. That is why he is cleaning. The second sentence has past time reference. So was cleaning. Now, what does this slide have to say? First, the time reference. 8 o'clock. Whose house is it? Sam's house. How do we know? Because Sam is eating. Whose mother is it? Sam's mother. John is a guest. John is Sam's friend. So, when John visited Sam's house, what is Sam doing? Eating. Time reference. John's visit. At that time, the action is going on. So, Sam is. The time now is 9 a.m. When did John visit Sam's house? 8 a.m. That time Sam was eating. Now the time is 9. John is talking to his friend. So what will he say? Sam was eating when I went to his house. When I went to his house. Past time reference. So was. Let's take another example. The sun is shining brightly, so I can go out. The expression in red, can go out, indicates present time reference. So, is shining. And what does the second sentence say? The sun was shining brightly when I went out. Went out. Past time reference. So, was shining. So, when the time reference is present, we'll use is. When the time reference is past, we'll use was. Another example. I'm working, so don't disturb me. Don't disturb me now. I am working. Present tense. So, am working. I couldn't help mom with the lunch. Couldn't help. That means past time reference. That is why was working. Don't disturb me. An instruction not to disturb in the present. Present tense. So, am working. But couldn't help tells us it is a past time reference. So, was working. So, what is the conclusion? What do we learn? If the time reference in the sentence is present tense, then we'll use is cleaning or is driving or is helping. But if the time reference in the sentence is past, then we'll use was cleaning, was helping, was driving, etc. A few more examples for you to understand the time reference better and use tenses correctly. The column on the left gives you sentences with the present time reference, and the column on the right gives you sentences with a past time reference. Let's understand the difference better. I can come later if you are resting. Now, if you are resting now. That's why the use of are. I didn't come because you were resting. Past time reference. You were resting. The garden is blooming because the gardener is there. He is there. He is present at the moment. Present time reference. That's why the garden is blooming. The garden was blooming when our gardener was there. Was there. He is not there now. Past time reference. So was blooming. Mohit is feeling better this morning. This morning. Present time reference. So is feeling. Mohit was feeling fine till yesterday. Till yesterday. Past time reference. So was feeling fine. We are going to buy a new car this month. This month. Present time reference. So are going to buy. We were going to buy a car last month. Last month. Past. So were going to buy. The train's running as per schedule. As per schedule at present. So is running. The train was running as per schedule till Agra. Till Agra it was running as per schedule, not now. So past time reference. So was running. It is raining today. Today, present. So is raining. It was raining yesterday. Yesterday, past. So was raining. So what do we learn? If the time reference is present, we use the auxiliaries is, am, are. And if the time reference is past, we use was or were. There. The conclusion on the screen for you to assimilate. If time reference of action is present, is, am, are. If time reference of action is past, was or were. Like to test your learning now? Here is an exercise for you to test your understanding, your learning. Each of the sentences has a time reference. Identify the time reference and use the right tense. Put down your answers in the comments box. I shall be very happy to correct them. And in case you have any doubts, you can put those doubts also in the comments box. I shall be very happy to answer them. Thank you for watching this video, and if you think this video made any sense, why don't you share, like and subscribe?